Okay, this is a quick demo of the new perspective mode in Archivision. I'm going to upload a 2D plan, pick it from my local setup, load it in here. All right, now I'm going to select mid-century modern and a suburban neighborhood. Once this image generates, I'll be able to see a new button in the generated vision section, which will give me the ability to look at the generated output from an eye perspective as if I was standing in the room. Okay. This image should look relatively normal. We got cars in the garage. It added a bit of flavor where none previously existed. This is the normal view that you're used to. Now we have this new button, Room View. Once the Room View button is clicked, Archivision actually identifies all of the rooms, all of the objects in the rooms, all of the transitions between the rooms, and tries to build a mental model of how to generate an image once you're standing anywhere on the generated view. Okay, once you see this screen, you'll be presented with this dialog. Click to place the figure, then drag to aim. So you can take this figure, we'll put him right here, and if you turn him, you'll see that he's got an arrow that can move around the room. So right now I want to generate a view of the living area and through the backyard windows. Once I click a second time to lock in the view direction, Archivision examines where he is and builds a model of what you'll get in the image once you generate it. So the location, living room. It's looking at the living room seating group, including the sofa, armchairs, coffee table, as well as the large windows on the exterior wall. We'll generate this view, and now we have a detailed view, including our couches, our chairs, our large windows, and the media console on the right. This, of course, works with our high resolution and ultra high resolution downloads. You just click one of these in order to upscale this image into a higher quality for your demos. One other piece of advice for the room view, what you want to keep in mind is that sometimes when you place the peg man, even moving him slightly to the left or to the right can generate substantially better image quality. It actually tries to detect the intent of what you want to look at by where he's placed. So while you might think, I want to be able to see the kitchen island and the kitchen range, you might think, I want to stand here. Sometimes you actually get better results by clicking in the middle of an object like the island or even the table. So if you click here, it's going to detect the room here as the dining room looking into the kitchen. So it has a dining room table with 6 chairs directly in the line of sight, and to the left is the kitchen island with bar stools. So you can see it was able to correctly generate this with the bar stools on the left, but we also got a second bar stool.